Sprint is making massive updates in Atlanta, getting ready for the big game in February 2019, and I get to be part of it all. My name is Heather Campbell, and I lead Sprint's network team in Atlanta. One of the updates we're working on is upgrading our data capacity by installing Massive MIMO antennas. The combined radio and antenna boxes on cell towers have multiple antenna elements in them for sending and receiving data. That's where MIMO comes from: multiple input, multiple output. Standard MIMO antennas have 8 transmitters and 8 receivers, while Massive MIMO has 64 of each that will power gigabit LTE and 5G services up to 10 times the capacity. Massive MIMO will give us faster speeds than before and can be set for 4G and 5G. Our team is excited to be a part of this important step in building America's first mobile 5G network and a brighter future for all.